Dustin, 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, we have less than a minute to the Palace drop. I'm doing it again. I'm doing a manual co-op this time. There are Palace jerseys. I'm not sure if they're actually worth going for. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a jersey. Jerseys are normally doing pretty well. The Palace ones are pretty simple. They just say Palace with the A on it, but I kind of like it. So I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna try manually. I'm gonna see how well it goes. It might go terribly wrong. We might succeed and hit one. I'm not sure which color that I want. There's like 3 colorways. There's a red, gray, and a black, I believe. Kind of like the gray one. I'm not gonna lie. The gray one's kind of nice. It should auto refresh the shop. Actually, it should be here. Actually, that's a good idea. Anyway, it's 11 o'clock. Bro, it's 11 p.m. It says 11 right now. Normally, oh, they fucked up. Right? They're not open yet. They normally just automatically open it. So this is interesting. It's 11. They've not refreshed. It says Friday, right? There we go. I like this one. I was going to go for the black one, but now I like that one. Only because I clicked on it, so what the fuck? No! I clicked on it too fast, didn't I? I double clicked that by accident. Wait, what? What? Sold out! Okay. Damn, that was quick. What about the black one?
What the fuck?
Oh my god, there's only a small. I've got extra light on this. Oh, apparently there's only a small. Wow. What the red one? A red large? Alright, we'll go for a red large. We'll get. Ah, come on, remove that one. Damn, it's sold out, yo. Why, what the fuck? Damn, I feel sorry for people trying to do this manually. Like, fucking hell, that shit was hard. To be fair, I had to refresh that twice. I had to just go for a small. No, I don't want to go for a small. If it's still in stock, there's no point in going. Is it a specific? No, it kind of reminds me of like the. That fucking went quick. Yeah, people slept on this. Well, I don't think they did because it sold out quick. There's no such thing as sleep. Okay, so that's how it's stocked now. The red ones are probably still got a medium in the red. Bro, that's crazy. Why have we got a medium in red? I bet it's not. This has to be. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, that's how stock it will add to cart. Okay, that was a big fumble on me. Now, guys, this is a great example of why people do bots. Because you saw me try and do that manually. I don't know why it made me do capture twice. That was kind of annoying. I double-clicked it by mistake, but that's still when I was stuck pretty quick. And that was like I didn't went for a large. I didn't go for like an extra large or a 2XL. That should have been easy. But they look really nice as well. What the fuck? And why didn't I rent out the ball? Like, I was thinking about renting out a ball last night, but then I totally forgot. And yeah, that might be my mistake. These Palace jerseys are pretty nice. So yeah, guys, one lesson to admit, if you actually spend like an extra $6 on a renting a ball, then you might have been able to cop this. Damn, that's kind of annoying. I actually like this. I like this, man. And now it's all sold out. I like this gray one. That was quick. Anyway, I'm going to end it off. That was a really quick video for me. This is kind of like an example of what happens when you try manual cop stuff, especially on Palace. They seem to have no stock though. That's kind of annoying. But yeah, oh well. Mad some people don't like fizzy water, isn't it? Basically allowing the ketchup on roast dinner crew. Interesting description. Anyway, I'm going to end it off. That was quick. See you guys in another video. Take care. Hope you guys hit on Palace in America because that was gone instantly. And that's manual. I'm showing you guys manually. So yeah. Don't sleep on these jerseys if you're trying to resell, or if you're trying to get a personal, don't sleep on them. Be quick. These are nice. Catch you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.